everybody, it's Maggie again. Today I'm going to show you what I do with my shampoo. Now I know Young Living has shampoos, but they're not gluten-free, and I'm afraid if I get them in my eyes, my nose, my mouth, I'm going to get gluten. So I buy an unscented shampoo. This one happens to be Carina Organics. And it's biodegradable, hypoallergenic, gluten-free, paraben-free, soy-free, no animal testing, vegan, safe in rivers, lakes, and oceans, septic safe. And it's really quite an amazing shampoo. It has water, coconut oil, palm oil, glycerin, pine extract, chamomile flower extract, nettle leaf extract, dandelion leaf extract, clover flower extract, and apple cider vinegar. So everything is natural in here. It's awesome stuff. But I make it even more awesome because I use oils that support healthy, soft, beautiful, shiny hair. And I'm going to say up front, I use quite a few oils in this. Don't be afraid. You can leave some out if you like. This container is 360 milliliters or 12.2 ounces. And y'all know that when you're going to use shampoo, you only use a little bit. So you're really not getting that much oil on your hair. You're getting a lot of soap, a little bit of oil. You're just going to use a little bit and lather it up, wash it off, or rinse it off, sorry. Maybe you're going to do it twice. And then exactly the same recipe I use for my conditioner. So I'm only going to show you the shampoo, but I do exactly the same thing for my conditioner. And my hair's never been so soft and beautiful before. Even the hairdresser, when I go and get my hair cut, she says, "Oh, your hair is so soft. What do you do?" And so I tell her. Okay. It works well. Anyway, I'm going to take 10 drops of orange. And let's see. Come on, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now don't worry if you get an extra drop here and there, it doesn't really matter. Now, I'm going to take about 10 or 11 drops of lemon. Why do I use lemon? Well, because A, it smells amazing, just like the orange, and because it's a citrus, just like the orange, it's got extra cleaning powers. So I'm going to use 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think the last time I made it, I got an extra drop. It doesn't really matter. Now, Copaiba, I don't know how people say it, but that's how I say it, Copaiba. I'm going to take 9 drops of that because you don't need as much of it. And why waste your oils? Come on. Some oils are a little slow to come out. That's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so that's that. Now, because geranium is also really wonderful, there you see, I am going to put in 6 drops of geranium. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Geranium is such an uplifting scent. It makes you happy. It's good for your hair. It's good for your skin. It's wonderful. Lavender. I am going to put in 7 drops of lavender. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Only a little bit more to go. Rosemary. Now, rosemary is known for its wonderful help with your hair. It's just absolutely fabulous. And I'm going to put in 15 drops of that because I love it so much on my hair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh, I got an extra one. Doesn't matter. I'm never going to throw it out. Okay, now, Citronella is another one that's really good for your hair. And we all know what help it is when you're outside in the summer. Citronella is awesome. And I'm going to put 5 drops in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And because cedarwood helps give you nice, soft, shiny, beautiful hair, it's very supportive of hair health. I am going to put, but you don't really need a lot, but 3 drops. That's what I've been using. 1, 2, 3. There you go. And that's my recipe for my organic, gluten-free shampoo and conditioner. And what I'll do is just put the lid on and I'll shake it up a little bit so I get the oils all the way through there. And I tell you, I love this stuff. It's so awesome. Let me know in the comments if you've used it or if you tried with your shampoo. I wouldn't use it with regular shampoo because what's the point if you're going to put chemicals on your head and then add oils? It doesn't make sense. This has no nasty chemicals in it whatsoever. I feel good about using it. I know I'm not absorbing chemicals through my scalp and going through the rest of my body. So that's it. I will post the recipe in the comments. Please let me know how you like it. Oh, and don't forget, you can substitute. Just look up what's really good for hair support. You can take things out if you don't have them. I think what I would definitely say is keep the rosemary and the cedarwood. And the rest is kind of up to you. If you don't like a certain oil, you don't have a certain oil, don't let that stop you. You can still put oils in your organic shampoo and benefit from them. Okay, drop me a line. Bye.